I want you to realize that your biggest fans are not even the people that support you the most. I know it's hard to believe that you have so much support, so many great people that's kind of endorsing you, that believe in you. But I want you to know there is no greater fan than your enemy. I said it. I'm hurting somebody's feelings today. I want you to understand that your enemy is your biggest fan. And the reason why is they have been recruited by Satan to campaign on your behalf. See, God uses your enemy to get your name out there, to make you known. Honey, they gossip, they lie, they scheme, they backbite, they plot, and some of everything else to make sure that you stay in the same spot. But what they don't understand is their mere existence and presence is a footstool to get you to the next level. I want you to understand, them rascals sit back and they study everything about you. Honey, instead of taking and getting a degree in whatever the college universities are offering them on today, baby, they got a degree in you. They know what you're going to say. They know how you're going to gesture. They want to figure out how you think and some of everything else. But I want your enemy to understand one good thing. The most miraculous part about who you are, that thumbprint of your existence, that unique thing that you do, that manna that drops from heaven that just manifests all through you, they'll never have access to that. Because that's been signed, sealed, and delivered to you through the blood of Jesus Christ. And it ain't no demon in hell that can stop him from manifesting greatness all up in your life. Because, honey, as long as you just stick with God, honey, don't worry about man, because man come and man go. But one thing I know for sure is God is consistent when he woke you up this morning. He is consistent when he sent you on your way. He is consistent giving you praise in the midst of drama. He is consistent causing you to just seek him no matter what you're going through. He is consistent with giving you air to breathe every day when you don't even think about it. He is consistent by providing for you when nobody else did. He is consistent with regulating your mind, baby, when you thought you were going to lose it. He is consistent with showing up in that courtroom when you really needed him to show up for you. He is consistent in making ways up out of no way for you. He is consistent when it comes to making every crooked path straight for you. He is consistent even laying his life down for you so that you could be found in him, so that you could get a breakthrough. God is consistent. Oh, so even though your fan, honey, which is your enemy, tries to be the most consistent to steal everything that God has got planned for your life, the goals and the aspirations, all the great things that he is manifesting in your life, all the power that he has put in your hand, because your hand is inside of his hand. Everything that you say began to take form in your life because you're that much like God, because you are a child of his, baby. I want you to understand that your greatest fans is your enemy. Get that all up in your spirit today. So when they talk about you, baby, get excited. When they mark you, get excited. When you walk into places and they just turn their face all turned up like they done bit down on the sour lemon, baby, get excited. Because you are here on an assignment, baby. You have been planted in the earth to run hell up out of this environment. You have been planted up in this earth to raise the level of frequency and spirituality on this planet. You have been planted in the earth to just radiate God out in the atmosphere, radiate love out into this atmosphere, radiate peace out into this atmosphere, radiate freedom and justice out inside of this atmosphere, radiate unity in this atmosphere. And I tell you the truth real quick, that they're mad as hell, because you represent something that they ain't got the courage to do. You represent something that they're trying to not allowed to manifest in this environment. You represent something that is breaking the hand grip of evil off of humanity. And that something is God, which equals love, which equals transformation, and that equals change and freedom up in this environment for all of those who believe. And until the next video, guys, peace, because I still be believing in you. Bye now.